Hey guys! In this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best folding electric bikes under $1,000 in 2022. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. RichBit RT619 14-inch folding electric bike. The RT619 frame is made of aluminum alloy which is strong, light, and incredibly responsive as equal parts. The frame is crafted in accordance with the machines of the human body. This bike provide brushless 36-volt 250-watt motor is enough for short trip, and this bike maximum speed 30 km per hour. It also large capacity 10.2 amp-hour lithium battery. This battery maximum distance 31 to 60 km, and charging time 4 to 6 hours. This electric bike using 14 into 2-inch fat tires and front and rear disc brakes fully protect your safety. You can ride on the beach and snow. This electric bike provide 3 riding mode, as like electric mode, pedal assist mode, and normal mode. This electric bike provide LCD display. This LCD display can display necessary riding data for you, speed, battery, mileage. Also it can adjust power of output according to your preference. This electric bike deliberate compact design allows for easy folding, storage, and transportability. The sturdy folding frame can be folded down in seconds, which makes it great for camping or just putting in the back of your car. Number 4. Alfina FX21 20-inch folding electric bike. This electric scooter frame made lightweight aluminum alloy, sturdy and durable, corrosion resistant and rust resistant in line with ergonomics. This bike provide 48-volt 500-watt brushless gear motor. It can easily assist you to travel at 45 km per hour, 12.8 amp-hour lithium removable battery. The mileage can be more than 60 km, and you can charge the battery in the frame or alone when you take it out. Charging time 4 to 6 hours. This bike provide 3 riding modes, allows you customize your ride performance as like electric mode, assisted mode, normal mode, help you conquer a variety of terrain. The electric bike with 20 into 4.0-inch anti-skidding fat tires and dual shock absorbing system can puncture resistant and adapt to complex topography will take you a comfortable riding experience on any terrains, including urban, beach, mountain and snow. The electric bike with front and rear disc brakes and 7-speed transmission system, you can choose any speed to enjoy faster riding time or experience relaxing holiday according to your needs. Perfect brakes fully protect your safety. The electric bike is equipped with LCD display. It can show gear switching, riding data viewing at a glance. Number 3. Zengu K6 20-inch foldable electric bike. The best budget electric bike that can be found on the market in 2022. It also frame material is aluminum alloy. This electric is equipped with 48-volt 500-watt high-speed motor and maximum speed up to 30 to 50 km per hour. It also large capacity 10.4 amp-hour lithium battery. This bike maximum range 31 to 60 km. It can be removed to charge and can be fully charged within 4 to 6 hours. It also front and rear disc brakes provides more reliable all-weather stopping power, which keep you safe from any emergency with a brake distance. The K6 provide 3 riding mode, as like pure electric mode, pedal assist mode, and normal mode. You can choose the pure electric mode to enjoy a relaxing time and also can use it for exercising. It also LCD display computer makes it better for you to know clearly about the per hour speed and the whole distance you have ridden, and also you can know the battery remaining capacity of your bike. It also 20-inch inflatable rubber tire for different grounds and added rear shock absorbers for better road passability and comfort. The electric bike adopts a foldable frame, which is easy to fold, easy to store and carry. It's also the best choice for all important holiday gifts for family and friends. Number 2. Same bike 20LV-XD30 20-inch folding electric bike. The same bike frame made 6061 aviation aluminum is characterized by lightness, durability and firmness. This electric bike 48-volt 350-watt brushless hub motor provides maximum speed 35 km/h featuring energy saving, can more effectively improve riding stability and battery life. It also large capacity 10 amp-hour Li-ion battery for maximum range 40 km with pure electric mode, and 70 km mileage with moped mode. It also 20-inch wheels, a pair of air-filled rubber tires with quick disconnect power lines ensure better traction and easy tire maintenance. The bike's 7-speed trigger shift offers smooth gear changes, and front and rear double disc brake system make riding safer, easier and more fun. The electric bike 3 easy step folding system, which is easy to carry and store after folding. The electric bike has 3 working modes: pure electric mode, pedal assist mode, and normal mode. The LCD display provides essential information such as speed, battery level, distance covered, pedal assist level and more. Number 1. Gma R7 20-inch folding electric bike. The R7 made of aluminum alloy, lightweight and high strength, strong performance, at the same time, made of aluminum alloy and high hardness, durable. The R7 48-volt 800-watt brushless motor provides the maximum 30 to 50 km/h. It also large capacity 12.8 amp-hour built-in hidden battery. This bike maximum range 31 to 60 km per charge, and charging time 4 to 6 hours. It also 20 into 4.0-inch fat tires, which makes the vehicle have a good shock absorption effect on daily roads, and can better adapt to various road conditions such as snow, highway, beach and mountain. The R7 is equipped with hydraulic brake and power-off system. When you brake, the e-bike cuts off power and turns on the braking system. Stop the electric bike quickly to ensure driving safety. There are 3 riding modes: pure electric mode, riding mode, and electric power-assisted mode. The R7 is equipped with LCD display. It can show speed, charge, gear, and riding mode etc.